Hey everyone, it's me, Elsie. I just decided to do a new quick proof video because a lot of people have been faking me on other sites that I don't even know of, heard of or anything. And they've been changing one of my proof photos that I took a long time ago. They've been changing it to theirs, so this is my new proof video. I only have 3 sites. A YouTube, which is youtube.com/EnchantedElsie, and a MySpace, which is myspace.com/ElsieLove11, and then I have a Twitter where you can follow me, and it's twitter.com/ElsieEnchanted. So those are my only sites. All the others are fakes and role players, and I just wanted to tell you guys that because I don't want you guys to be talking about fake or anything. If you want to talk, add me on those sites. We'll talk, chat, chit chat. Bye.